Welcome to our presentation on artificially intelligent supply chain. Today, we are excited to share our objectives, strategies, and plans, aiming to secure funding for this innovative project. Before we delve into the details, we would like to emphasize that all content, ideas, and materials presented herein are proprietary to Solar Energy US Inc. and its successors. As we strive to maintain relevance and adaptability in this dynamic landscape, it's important to note that changes may occur without prior notice. Additionally, in accordance with US SEC regulations and laws, we acknowledge the possibility of inadvertent errors or omissions, and we are committed to compliance. For your reference, a safe harbor document has been previously provided and reviewed. Your consent is presumed prior to our presentation today. Thank you for your attention and participation. This table of content is a handy reference and guide. Artificial Intelligence MIT Center for Transportation and Logistics reports that, while the benefits of digitally transforming the supply chain are significant, it's crucial to note that supply chain professionals are increasingly aware of the pressing need to enhance their flexibility, collaboration, and resilience. McKinsey's survey reveals that the potential value of AI analytics across 19 industries amounts to $1.2 trillion in increased revenue. Our approach begins with prioritizing logistics and demand forecasting, progressing to inventory management, procurement, and ultimately yield optimization. It is our belief that companies are willing to invest substantially in AI software and services to unlock this value potential. By 2025, the supply chain landscape will undergo a significant transformation, necessitating full digital integration to enhance agility and resilience. A 2021 survey of global supply chain leaders highlights a growing demand for digital skills, with only 1% of organizations currently possessing the required expertise. The Artificially Intelligent Supply Chain, AISC, is specifically designed to address these challenges head-on. In fact, you can start reaping the benefits of this transformative journey immediately, beginning with your next orders. This journey commences with a user-friendly native language interface, offering seamless integration with your perspective, as illustrated in the following slide. An autonomous supply chain is a system that can run and make decisions independently. It relies on analyzing data and predefined algorithms. In our system, called AISC, we've made things simpler for you. Details are hidden away, and you can only ask questions using your own language once you've logged in with a user ID and password. But if you prefer, you can rearrange the supply chain to focus more on customers. Improve transparency in performance measurement. Incorporate social responsibility into the process. Encourage collaboration between different companies. Manage everything according to agreed upon rules. The global supply chain operates like a neural network, with nodes managing product storage, processing, and movement. These nodes, which include factories, warehouses, ports, and transportation hubs, facilitate communication and data exchange between supply chain parties. Routes connecting these nodes are depicted as arcs in transportation networks, each associated with attributes like time, distance, cost, and transportation mode. Advancements in technology across different stages have significantly enhanced the global supply chain. Initially, when systems were disparate, electronic data interchange, EDI, proved invaluable in transitioning from paper-based documents to electronic transactions. Similarly, within organizations, application programming interfaces, APIs, expedited communication, particularly in the retail sector. Early efforts to centralize data in a shared cloud environment, despite increasing costs and complexity, laid the groundwork for optimization and the development of machine learning systems. With the emergence of artificial intelligence, AI, and the Internet of Things, IoT, it's now feasible to capture data throughout the entire journey of goods, from suppliers to customers and consumers. This advancement paves the way for the successful implementation of autonomous AI, delivering significantly greater benefits to customers and consumers. In the domain of supply chain technology development, several companies are making significant progress, yet none besides AISC have established themselves as leaders in autonomous AI, a distinction validated by a thorough examination of the Brown Group. Among these companies, O9 prioritizes planning, while Coupa, Flexport, and Blue Yonder, a Panasonic division, operate as support functions within larger organizations. Blue Jay, Manhattan, Shipwell, and C3.ai tout comprehensive coverage across the entire supply chain, not deep into logistics. On the other hand, the Green Group includes Snowflakes, a publicly traded company serving as middleware for cloud data creation. While others in this group possess extensive technical capabilities, none have ventured into offering autonomous logistics supply chain solutions. Abacus, having secured over $200 million in Series C funding in late 2021, stands out as one of the most heavily funded companies externally, despite remaining private for now. Let us recap customer benefit of AI analytics in time continuum. They are massive according to McKinsey. They are $300 billion in three functional areas: procurement, inventory, and logistics. And another $300 billion in yield optimization. An autonomous AI system, operating independently, is ideally suited for companies that lack the resources to invest in AI expertise. Instead of requiring users to learn AI or hire specialized talent, our software, Autonomous AI, simplifies the process by concealing complexities and offering a user-friendly native language interface. Our target market comprises of small and medium enterprises with disparate systems, particularly those with less intricate logistics operations and limited AI capabilities. We will utilize an online marketing channel with discounted pricing to reach this extensive customer base. With Autonomous AI, we automate the integration of order and shipment data into a cloud environment, creating a neural network that assesses factors such as time, distance, cost, and transportation mode for each order. This network dynamically adjusts logistics plans based on changes in near-term demand using recurrent machine learning. The system's decision-making process is driven by changes in these variables, akin to the synapses and neurons in the human brain. Additional data variables may be captured, further enhancing decision complexity. In essence, mimicking human decision-making within a complex artificial system lies at the core of AISC. We will utilize an online marketing channel to reach this extensive customer base. An external sales firm, reminiscent of the Wolf of Wall Street, characterized by an assertive sales approach and generous commissions but without profanity or illegal practices, will be engaged to drive sales. It will be initially managed by the CEO, laying a selling foundation. Discretionary sales pricing to attract customers, meanwhile providing floor pricing to guarantee revenue. Sales individuals will enjoy very high sales commissions, costs of which will be borne by discretionary pricing. As previously mentioned, analytical AI offers significant benefits to companies, estimated at approximately $300 billion in areas such as logistics, procurement, inventory, and another $300 billion in yield optimization. This translates to a revenue potential for software providers amounting to $30 to $60 billion at 5 to 10% of benefit to companies. It represents an exceptionally large market for analytical AI software providers. As we progress from version 0 of our AISC startup to version 4 branded, Gopal Kar will lead organizational development as the CEO. His responsibilities will encompass overseeing company-wide development, including licensing, patents, and trademarks. In the absence of a chief technology officer, the CEO will provide guidance to development consultants and set technical direction. During this time, an online sales firm will be hired for version 0 sales to small and medium enterprises. In next 6 months of operation, an online marketing firm will manage version 0 sales to small and medium enterprises. In the absence of a chief technology officer, the CEO will provide guidance to development consultants and set technical direction. A dedicated team, known as the Nobel Room, will focus on innovating cutting-edge machine learning technologies, ensuring they are ready for deployment as software, and managing projects, quality, and customer communication. During the first full year of operation, an executive team will be assembled to formulate comprehensive plans for accounting, finance, marketing, sales, and personnel. Finance and accounting executive will supervise the planning and preparation of fully audited company books in preparation for additional funding. Collaboratively, finance, accounting, marketing, sales, and personnel/quality teams will devise strategies and processes for operational success. Marketing will assess market size and potential share, targeting consulting firms, suppliers, and industry evaluators such as Gartner, Forrester, IDC, and Aberdeen. Following the development of a detailed marketing and sales plan, services will be expanded with enhanced products and services catering to large corporations. Sales will concentrate on establishing a direct sales distribution channel for larger customers. Personnel will implement a total quality approach across all activities through well-defined policies. All compensation and bonuses will be linked to quality processes. In our endeavors to leverage predictive AI, we employ a long short-term memory, LSTM, network to continuously update the state of a recurrent neural network, RNN. This enables us to conduct open-loop forecasting for various time horizons ranging from the next day to the next year. It's important to note that our forecasts pertain not to the number of cases shipped, but rather to the ingredients shipped, which are then converted back into cases, pallets, or containers. We establish a digital twin of the supply chain by meticulously mapping order and shipment data. Each node or location within the supply chain is precisely identified on a geospatial map, with pertinent variables such as time, distance, cost, and mode of transportation captured for each stock-keeping unit, SKU. Once this digital twin is constructed, we utilize discrete event simulation techniques to replan the network. Furthermore, we are implementing various AI algorithms for inventory, return, and warehouse management, fleet and route optimization to comprehensively support customer logistics. In the second year of our project, we plan to enhance each module and incorporate reinforcement learning techniques and unified theory of stochastic optimization to optimize yield or manufacturing or conversion. We encourage readers to explore the reference provided at the bottom of the slide for further information. Noteworthy aspects of our team, referred to as the Nobel Room, include 2 PhDs, AI forecasting and logistics, alongside a team of 10 members with diverse industry and functional expertise. Within the Nobel Room, we have a dedicated project manager tasked with expediting project timelines by allocating additional resources, and a quality manager focused on ensuring the delivery of high-quality software solutions. We anticipate the project manager to accelerate project progress, while the quality manager replicates successful outcomes. A total quality delivery process will be implemented for all activities to tie the organization together and reward performance. This chart outlines the process. Personnel creates a scoring system, individual will create parameters, scripts, simulation to drive quality, executives will define capability needed for the marketplace. We will harmonize the organization towards constancy of purpose. We have planned 5 versions of AISC over the next 2.5 years. AISC Startup Development Version 0, this foundational version offers a comprehensive logistics system, laying the groundwork for our future growth. AISC SME Support Version 1, specifically designed to attract small and medium-sized enterprises, this version integrates user feedback and product enhancements, making it the perfect choice for companies looking to streamline their logistics operations. AISC Version 2 Large Company Support, targeted at major corporations, this version delivers tailored support services, meeting the complex needs of large-scale operations and positioning us as a leader in the industry. AISC Version 3, with advanced customization options, this version provides large customers with specialized functions such as yield, manufacturing, and conversion. It also introduces an observation deck, enabling all customers to view and replan their supply chains with unprecedented clarity. AISC version 4, branded product set to coincide with our public offering. This branded product will be launched with high energy and anticipation, marking a significant milestone in our company's journey, and generating excitement in the marketplace. These are 10-year cost projection at 5% growth every year. In the full third year of operation, or column 4, we will initiate an uptick in capital expenditure on hardware and software, resulting in a temporary surge in expenses due to accelerated depreciation as we expand our technical support team. Following 4 years of operation, staff support will stabilize due to enhanced productivity. In addition of owner-invested pre-seed capital, we need about $1 million to start building the system. This investment will provide us the specification for outside consultants and pay for development costs for the next 6 months. Results will be available as version 0 of AISC. Further $4.402 million development expense is planned for Nobel Room, competitive analysis, cloud customer service, online sales program. Next 12-month, first full year of operation, an estimated $14.960 million is needed to enhance ongoing support for online marketing channel and development of direct sales channel. During second year of operation, we will have 2 fully functioning channels, products and customer support. That includes a machine learning yield or manufacturing model for direct sales to companies and in-house tool, observation deck to all customers. An infusion of $34.651 million in Series B through E funding will drive this phase. This gears us for public offering by the end of second year or early following year. Insights from the public offerings of C3.ai and Snowflake's shed light on AI IPOs. C3.ai initially priced its offering at $42 per share, which surged to $100 per share on the day of the IPO. Similarly, Snowflake set its offering price at $80 per share, reaching $245 per share upon debut. Considering their market evaluations, revenue, gross profit, and number of customers at the time of IPO, we estimated 3 scenarios for the share price: $80, $40, and $25. With our finance executive possessing IPO experience and a year to prepare, we anticipate issuing a volume of 10 million shares at $40 a share each of Class A and Common, resulting in a market valuation of $800 million. The investment requirements are detailed in the investment row. Currently, the pre-seed owner investment stands at just under $750,000, with an additional $1.067 million in seed investment is needed to finalize version 0 of the system. Combined, this pre-seed and seed cash totaling $1.817 million will equate to $7.258 million in Class A shares, each initially valued at $40 per share on the IPO date. It's worth noting that the share value on the IPO date may exceed the initial $40 valuation. Likewise, $4.402 million from series of funding will translate to $15.408 million in Class A shares, and $14.960 million from Series B funding will yield $44.879 million in Class A shares. Once again, the share value on the IPO date may surpass the pre-priced $40 per share valuation. In the second year of operation, Series C funding of $34.651 million will be necessary, resulting in $69.300 million in Class A shares before the IPO at the end of the second year or the beginning of the third. Once more, the share value on the IPO date may exceed the pre-priced value of $40 per share. In summary, we require $1.067 million now, $4.402 million in 6 months, $14.960 million in 1 year, and $34.651 million in 2 years. By the end of the second year, both marketing channels will be fully operational, driving revenue through the online channel and direct sales channel. Our aim is to incrementally increase our customer base by 10% annually, starting with an initial pool of 536 customers within the first 6 months of operation. A comprehensive 10-year projection of revenue, costs, gross profit, and EBITDA in millions of US dollars has been provided, with costs anticipated to rise by 5%. Revenues reaching $783 million by the end of third period of operation. In the third full year of operation, we will initiate an uptick in capital expenditure on hardware and software, resulting in a temporary surge in expenses due to accelerated depreciation as we expand our technical support team. Following 4 years of operation, staff support will stabilize due to enhanced productivity. Online marketing efforts will be facilitated by an external web marketing company, primarily targeting small and medium enterprises. These enterprises typically exhibit limited integration, a pressing need to reduce logistics costs, and a lack of access to AI advantages. Our autonomous product negates the necessity for AI expertise, as replacing is inherent to order/shipment data. Initially, we will offer a budget-friendly product at a 90% discount, gradually reducing the discount by 10% each year. Additionally, with the introduction of the direct customer sales channel tailored for large corporations at a reduced 50% discount, our revenue streams will further flourish. Our revenue projections are based on online heavily sales to medium and small companies and continue with large companies with somewhat lower discount. These projections amount to $9 million in first 6 months of operation. We anticipate this revenue stream will grow steadily, with the number of clients increasing by 10% each year and attract large companies with substantially higher pricing as they can afford to pay more. Revenues reaching $1 billion by the end of fourth period of operation. As we hire seasoned marketing and sales executive early in the first year of operation, we expect to shore up these revenue stream and additional revenue streams not estimated here, for example sales to consulting firms. During the latter part of second year of operation, some of these revenue estimates are expected to be significantly higher as direct sales to major corporation is geared up by marketing executive in customized yield/manufacturing/conversion. By the end of second year they will encompass a full range of services. A comprehensive product and service package will include use case service and branded AISC software featuring digital twin and deep learning forecasting, inventory and return management, warehouse and fleet management, distribution optimization, and route planning and yield optimization. Thank you for your attention and support.